We're at the top of Moon Hill, so this is what the view looks like.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So we're on the way to Moon Mountain right now. We just left Yangshuo on an electric bicycle. So right now we're just grabbing some lunch at one of these little roadside restaurants. So we're getting some traditional food here at this little restaurant. So you can see on this sign they have some of the local foods that are pretty common here in Yangshuo. So this is the first thing we just received. This is bamboo rice. So they put the rice in the bamboo and then cook it over a fire. All right, so this rice inside, you can see it has some ham, corn, taro, and then the rice itself. And it tastes almost like sticky rice, so it's kind of, it's like a thicker consistency, so it's a little bit harder. But it tastes good, it's a little bit sweet. It tastes really good. All right, so the other dish we had jinjiao. I forgot to film it, I was so excited that I just ate it all. But that was jinjiao. And then the other dish that we had that's pretty common in Guangxi. And it's basically a green pepper, and then inside they stuff it with pork. It's just pork, right?
Pork, only pork.
And this one is really good. It's a really big bite. Alright, so we just finished lunch. It was really good. It was only, I think, 80 RMB for the entire meal. This is my trusty moped electric bicycle I rented for the day. So let's hope it gets us there and back safely. You can see there are quite a few travelers here. A lot of them are Chinese tourists, but there is the occasional foreigner. Coming up to the Moon Hill entrance right now. So it's right after the highway. It's not really well labeled by the signs, but once you turn in here, this is the entrance. A sign that says Moon Hill Cafe.
Hello.
Hello.
Moon Hill.
Moon Hill. So we're getting our ticket now, and they have different ticket costs depending on if you're an adult, a student, in a group. So ours is, I believe, 14 RMB, so it's about $2.
Cash.
They take Weixing?
Cash.
And they don't take Weixing, so you need cash. We've got a nice little parking lot here for the e-bike, and there in the distance you can see Moon Hill. So we will be hiking up to the top of it. So here's some facts about the Moon Hill. And Vina just pointed out, interesting fact, Richard Nixon has been here. Alright, so we're on the way up to Moon Hill, and right now we're walking through like a bamboo forest. It's really cool. Now we're getting towards the hole itself. So then you come up under the bottom of it here.
Hello.
How's the hike?
Oh, you can tell from my leg shake.
So right now we're right under the arch at Moon Hill. So there's a little sitting area, hangout area right here. And then if you keep going through the arch to the backside, there's a cool spot that you should go, and then you can hang out there and then take pictures with Moon Hill in the background of you. And if you come here, this lady will probably be here. I've been here 2 times, and she's been here both times. She hikes all the way to the top of the hill and carries this cooler. So if you are up here and you want to get a drink, she will have you covered. So we made it to the other side of the hole. So now this is behind us. So this is what the view looks like from up here.
What a wonderful world.
Today is perfect here in Yangshuo. It's sunny, not exactly warm, but it's not bad. It's pretty comfortable. What did you think of Moon Hill?
Tired to get to the top, but it's a good view.
Is it worth the hike?
Sure.
Yeah.
Special mountain.
So if you're in Yangshuo area, I really recommend coming and check this out. The entrance fee is just about $2 or about 14 RMB. So it's cheap. Definitely recommend coming to check this out. So we're heading back down through this bamboo forest. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't. I upload new adventure travel videos every week. And remember, life's about the journey, not just the destination. All right, so we're about halfway through the trip right now. It's a really cool ride. What do you think? What's your favorite part? 9-horse mountain. I couldn't really count 9 horses, but I can see 9 shapes.